Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tooling Tuesday. We're filming this from Pack Expo in sunny Las Vegas. Today we're going to be looking at this Paper-Pulp, which previously was something that was machined out of metal. You can see this is a fairly complex design. Something like this would usually take weeks to months to machine, especially when you factor in the CNC machines that this would be made on are usually the bottleneck in any manufacturing process. So working with this customer, we were able to evaluate that printing with the SAF or Selective Absorption Fusion printing technology using our recycled PA12 powder is going to be both a more time-effective as well as cost-effective solution for the customer. We're showcasing it here today to show the packing world that there's more applications like this out there where additive manufacturing can save a ton of time and money.